SlideTeam brings you a PowerPoint module that elaborates on the concept of productivity, its significance, measurement methods, and common hindrances while offering practical strategies to increase it. The PPT Deck starts by defining productivity and highlighting how an increase in productivity can enhance output and satisfaction. Download our detailed PowerPoint deck and discover effective strategies to optimize your work efficiency. Also, grab up to 15% off by clicking on the link in the description. It then delves into the significance of productivity, explaining how it influences professional growth and personal satisfaction to contribute toward overall progress. The PPT module showcases methods to measure productivity, from simple productivity output and efficiency calculation to time tracking and gathering 360-degree feedback. It contains PPT slides to quantitatively assess productivity and set benchmarks for improvement. This section highlights some common but often overlooked productivity killers, such as lack of planning, multitasking, and lack of concentration. Understanding these issues is a crucial step toward overcoming them. Next, delve into a range of practical and actionable strategies to boost productivity. This includes planning ahead, setting realistic goals, minimizing interruptions, letting go of the illusion of perfection, conducting one-on-one meetings, and avoiding multitasking. Boost your work effectiveness with our insightful PowerPoint module. Click the download link below and get started on your journey to higher productivity. Here, it covers a well-known strategy, 2-Pizza Rule, by Amazon, illustrating its relevance and effectiveness in the context of improving productivity and efficiency in team settings. It emphasizes the significance of SMART goal setting and enhancing productivity and guide on how to implement this powerful technique effectively. The PPT explores the ABCs of Delegation, explaining how delegating work effectively can free up time for more critical tasks, leading to an overall boost in productivity. Eager to take your productivity to the next level? Our PPT on strategies to increase productivity and effectiveness is waiting for you. Download from the link. A vital skill in productivity enhancement is the ability to say no. The deck discusses the importance of setting boundaries and turning down tasks that do not align with your priorities. Finally, it touches on the importance of effective stress management in maintaining high productivity levels. This includes tips for recognizing stressors, implementing stress-busting techniques, and cultivating a healthy work-life balance. For more such templates, visit www.slideteam.net.